Hello Everionia. Welcome back. Today I want to share something very helpful. These are 75 English phrases you can use in daily life. They are easy. They are useful. And they will help you speak English with more confidence. Let's start. 1. Greetings. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again. These are common phrases for saying hello. You can use them anytime you meet someone. 2. Starting a conversation. How's it going? What's up? How have you been? Long time no see. What are you up to? How was your day? Did you do anything fun today? It's been a while. I hope you're doing well. Everything okay? These are great for starting a chat with friends or new people. 3. Talking about yourself. I'm from Pakistan. I live in Karachi. I'm a student. I work in an office. I like reading. I enjoy cooking. I'm learning English. I speak a little English. I'm trying to improve. This is my first time here. Use these phrases to tell people about you. 4. Daily routines. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home at 6. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed at 10. I sleep well. These phrases help you talk about your daily life. 5. Asking for help. Can you help me? I need some help. Could you please repeat that? Can you say that again? I don't understand. I'm not sure. Can you explain that? What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you show me? These are helpful when you're learning or asking questions. 6. At the store. How much is this? Where is the milk? Do you have this in a smaller size? Can I try this on? I'm just looking. I'll take this. Do you accept cards? Can I return this? This is too expensive. Do you have any discount? These phrases are useful for shopping. 7. On the phone. Hello. This is Ali speaking. Can I speak to Sarah? She's not available right now. Can I leave a message? I'll call you back later. Please hold. One moment, please. Sorry, wrong number. I didn't hear you. The line is bad. Use these phrases when talking on the phone. 8. Asking questions. What time is it? Where is the bathroom? How do I get there? When does the bus arrive? Why is it closed? Who is that? What is this? How far is it? Is it safe here? Can I ask you something? These are good for asking basic questions. 9. Talking about feelings. I'm happy. I'm tired. I feel sad. I'm so excited. I'm bored. I feel sick. I'm hungry. I'm nervous. I feel good today. I'm a little stressed. These phrases help you share how you feel. 10. Giving opinions. I think it's nice. I like it. I don't like it. It's interesting. It's boring. It's okay. It's too hard. It's easy. It's not my style. I love it. These are helpful when you want to say what you think. 11. Making suggestions. Let's go out. Shall we eat something? Why don't we try that? How about a movie? We could walk. You should try this. Maybe we can meet tomorrow. Want to go together? Let's do it. What do you think? Use these to suggest ideas politely. 12. Making plans. Are you free tomorrow? What time should we meet? Let's meet at 5. Where should we go? See you then. Sounds good. I'll be there. Let me know. Text me later. Let's do it again. These are helpful when planning with friends. 13. Saying no politely. No, thank you. I'm not sure. Maybe next time. I can't today. I don't think so. Sorry, I'm busy. I have other plans. Not right now. I'll pass. I don't feel like it. These help you say no in a kind way. 14. Asking for directions. Where is the station? How do I get to the bank? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Turn left at the corner. Go straight. It's next to the supermarket. It's behind the school. You'll see it on your right. Thank you so much. Use these when you're lost or traveling. Underscore 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 underscore. 15. Ending a conversation. I have to go now. Talk to you later. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you. Thanks for your time. See you tomorrow. Let's talk again. Bye for now. These are nice ways to say goodbye. Now you know 75 useful English phrases. You can use them in your everyday life. You don't need to memorize all at once. Practice a few every day. Use them when you speak. Say them out loud. Try them with a friend. You can even write them in a notebook. Learning English is not hard. It just takes practice. And you're doing great. Keep going. Keep learning. And never give up. Thank you for listening. I hope these phrases help you. Learning English takes time, but small steps every day can make a big difference. These 75 phrases are a great start. Try to use them in real conversations, even if it's just with yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm proud of you for wanting to improve your English. Keep going, keep believing in yourself, and never stop learning. I'll be back with more helpful lessons soon. Take care, and see you next time.